Welcome everybody to your holiday blitzes. Today it's all about those abs, trimming and slimming our waistline for the holidays. Let's get started. Lift down on your elbow, keeping the elbow in line with your shoulder. Lift your hips up and off the floor and bring it back down. Lift up and down. You're now working the sides of the waistline so your waistline goes in. Whittle the middle right now. If you can, place your elbow behind you for a little more challenge. Target tone that tummy. Lift and lower. Hold it up there. Now add a leg if you can. That's a little harder, but do the best that you can. That's it. Now we're gonna go to level 3. So stay up there and now bring your elbow into your knee and reach out. Now you're really cinching in that waistline. Pull it in, suck in the gut. Come on, pull it in. Belly button in. Great, we got 2 more. Last one and release. Good, let's go to the other side. The first one is just propping up on the elbow, up and down. Thinking about the waistline. Target tone and slim the waist, that's it. And tighten the tummy while you're doing that. If you can, place your hand behind you and really lift through the waist. That's it, working on both sides of the waistline. Great. Okay, add a leg if you like. That's it, it's a little harder, but it's worth it. Really firming all the major muscles of the body as well as the abs. Target tone, focus. One more, stay up there, and now really cinch in the waistline. That's it, pull it in, that's great. Good for the lower tummy too, so important. We got 2 more, last one. Pull it in and release. And take it all the way down and lift your chest up and hold it right here. Hold it in, hold it, hold it. Now pull your knee in and release. Pull your knee in and release, that's it. Great, really feel it. Just slight movements of the abs. That's it, it's all firming, toning right in the front of those abs. Flat abs, yes. We got 2 more, last one. Okay, now take it all the way down. Take it all the way down. Lifting your feet all the way up, and now placing your hands under your buttocks and lift and lower. Now you're really target toning below the belly button, the lower abs. That's it, initiate this movement right here, right where we need the extra help, right? We all need that, keeping the tummy tight, 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 tight. And we got 1 more, give it all you got, get up there. Okay, and roll all the way up, taking a nice deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen and let it out. Let out any stress. Enjoy your holidays, staying fit and firm with me throughout the whole holiday season.